Okay, here's experiment 39, and this is the inverting amplifier, if I remember correctly of the name. Um, and I've set it up pretty much like the drawing shows. The only difference here is the amplifiers and the op amps in this automatically have the positive 12 and the negative 12 volts hooked up to them. So we don't have to worry about making those connections. So that is done for us, and I'm pulling up that drawing even as we speak to let you see it. Bring it over to your screen in a moment so you can see what I was using to build this. But if you look, basically we're just bringing, got positive tied to ground of our source. We're bringing in a 500 hertz signal at 1 volt peak to peak, and you can see that on the scope on the left, and you can see the output based on the uh, uh, resistor that's connected to the negative in the output of the um, op amp here. So let me bring that over and let you see this drawing and realize it's a little too big. Let's see if we can bring it down just a hair. Nope, that was the wrong way. Let's try that. So obviously, the positive 12 and negative 12 is inherently connected for us, so we don't have to worry about making those connections. And it starts out with a 10K, and that's what I began with. I've got an 82K there now. And if you see, look, you can see I got a 1 volt, and let me slide the window over a little bit. There we go. Got a 1 volt source and an 8.2 volt output, and the 8.2 is here, the 1 volt's here, and I can change that by editing this, but it stays at 1 volt. It's just this resistor that changes. So if I want to go back, for instance, to I think it was a 39K, I can change that to 39 and type in K, hit OK, and you can see in just a minute my output voltage will go down. The scope's got to catch up with the waveforms here, and you can see exactly how this thing works and complete your experiment there. So Volstat will be able to help you quite a bit doing some of these circuits without having to breadboard them. So if you have any questions, just let me know. I'd be glad to take you through how some of this works.